Apple's latest intelligence features are here, and they're set to revolutionize your daily digital experiences. Imagine breaking down language barriers with real-time translation, getting personalized fitness motivation, and having your apps work smarter for you. But here's where it gets controversial. These features are powered by AI, and Apple is taking a bold step forward in privacy. Let's dive in and explore the details. Breaking language barriers with live translation. Apple Intelligence's live translation feature is a game changer. It's like having your own personal interpreter right on your iPhone 17 Pro. Whether you're messaging, FaceTiming, or making a call, live translation ensures you can communicate effortlessly across languages. And it's not just about text. It works with your voice too. Imagine having a conversation with someone who speaks a different language, and your iPhone translates it all in real time. It's like magic. Genmoji and Image Playground. Creative fun. Apple has also introduced Genmoji, a fun way to create personalized emojis, and Image Playground, an immersive experience to design unique backgrounds for your chats. These features add a creative twist to your messaging, making your conversations more engaging and personalized. Workout Buddy, your personal fitness companion. Get ready to level up your fitness journey with Workout Buddy. This innovative feature, powered by Apple Intelligence, analyzes your workout data and provides personalized motivation during your sessions. It's like having a personal trainer right in your ear, encouraging you to push a little harder and achieve your fitness goals. Workout Buddy understands your heart rate, pace, and even your personal milestones, offering tailored inspiration to keep you going. Apple Intelligence in third-party apps. Apple Intelligence isn't just limited to Apple's own apps. It's now integrated into third-party apps too, making your everyday tasks even more efficient. For example, reminders can now identify and categorize the most relevant actions in your emails and notes, making it easier to stay organized. And with Apple Wallet, you can track all your orders in one place, with progress notifications and detailed summaries. Privacy. Apple's extraordinary commitment. Here's the part most people miss. Apple's commitment to privacy with these new AI-powered features. All your data is analyzed privately and securely, ensuring your personal information stays just that, personal. Apple is taking a stand for user privacy in the AI space, which is a bold and important move. These features are available as a free update, and Apple Intelligence is currently in beta, supporting multiple languages. However, some features may have regional limitations. So, what do you think? Are you excited about these new Apple Intelligence features? Do you think Apple's approach to privacy with AI is a step in the right direction? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss and explore the potential and implications of these innovative technologies.